Welcome to Walside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer to you this 1950 right-hand drive MGTD. The car is finished in black with ivory trim and a tan soft top. This car has just been subject to an 18-month restoration in our own workshops. All the work has been carried out to ourselves on a no expense spared basis. As we close into the car, we hope you'll see the quality of the workmanship. The bodywork is certainly much better than it would have been when it was brand new. The chassis was taken off the body, then the tub was taken from the body. All the necessary repairs were made to all the panels before being reassembled into the car you see today. If you look down the car, you'll see just how straight the bodywork is and the attention to detail. The chassis was put on a rotisserie and it was sandblasted and ground and finished in gloss black paint, the same as the upper body of the car. Look down the car there, it's flawless. You'll notice the car's got these small indicators which are an addition as highly regarded safety feature, very acceptable with most people. All the chrome is either in very good condition or most of it's been reconditioned, including these bumpers, which we have actually painted on the inside. Okay, as you can see, full nut and bolt restoration of the highest standard. Sitting on cross-ply tyres. Okay, coming down the driver's side now. Again, the paint finish and body panel shape and everything is just as good as it gets. Looking down the bonnet there and the gaps, lovely chrome. Just a work of art. Some would say it's too good to use. The grille we decided to finish in gloss black rather than the cream. It's only a personal choice, it could be changed back. Again, just look at that paint finish. Sealed beam headlamps with these indicators. Everything works on the car. We'll show you under the car, or under the bonnet I should say, in a few moments, and also with the car with the soft top up. Looking under the wheel arch and down the chassis, that's the chassis there shining the same as the outside of the car. All new wiring. All the gauges have been reconditioned. As we look at the suspension there, you'll see there everything as new. Brakes, kingpins, the lot. steering rack, new boots. Again, looking under the front wing, going down onto the steps, looking at the chassis, you'll see the base of the engine there. There are some photos of the underside on the website. Again, looking under the inner rear wheel arch, these wheel arches have been replaced. Should be good for another 50 years. And springs and suspension axle. Under the back there you'll see all gleaming. As we move into the cockpit now, matching vinyl covered dashboard, all the instruments have all been reconditioned and recalibrated and zeroed. It's beige vinyl upholstery in lovely condition, and the carpet's in great condition, and a new under dash carpet there as well, keeping things tidy. Again, coming around the door frame there, you'll just see how much attention to detail has been taken. And also around the door itself. So everything new. Mechanical items, we've got invoices for over £12,000. That's excluding any labour and excluding the bodywork. So we'll show you in a few moments the car with the soft top on. Okay, back to the TD with the soft top on and the side curtains fitted. All in very good condition, as you'll see in a few moments. No tears, fits quite nicely. And complements the lovely gloss black paintwork. Clear rear window, and as we enter the car you look inside, nicely finished and very clean indeed. Okay, we're under the engine compartment now. The engine has been fully stripped down, new pistons, reboard, etc. Just briefly show you the panel fit and the attention to detail around the bulkhead, and also the same quality paintwork under it as well. Okay, we see the radiator, the alloy rocker cover there has come down. All the water pumps all been to pieces with new bearings in there. dynamo's been to pieces. You see the brand new wiring there, and also looking down onto the chassis there and see the same gloss black paintwork. New type oil filter. But just a beautiful piece of art. There we'll see the original matching engine number there. Now that's as good as it gets. We'll show you the other side. Okay, on the carburetor side, this is a tool tray lined out with velvet type material. Even this area has been detailed. We will add to the video as time goes by and we'll get a chance to drive the car on the road. But for the time being, we hope you're enjoying what you've seen. All new water hoses and pipes. All the carburetors have been fully stripped down. As you can see, no stone has been unturned. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, and if you are interested, have a look at all the photos on the website. We've kept a catalogue of photos for prospective purchasers of the restoration, which are available. Okay, we'll just give you a buzz down the road at the little MGTD that we just finished restoring. First drive out of the car, so anything could happen. On the vehicle. Quite nice round gears. Steers fairly well ahead. We will have to line up the steering wheel and a few little adjustments when we get back. We'll tighten everything up again, but first impressions, yeah, feels fairly good on the road. Car making a horrible noise. So all the instruments have been away for recommissioning. Nothing seems to be working, the clock doesn't work. I didn't bother with that.